Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Genevieve Designs. I'm going to do another quick video for you today. I feel better. I'm still having allergy problems, but I feel a little bit better. In the last video, we did this quick little envelope pocket embellishment for the inside front cover. So we're going to do something for the inside back cover in this video. And we are using the Botanical, or Curator's Botanical. We're using the paper collection, the physical paper collection, and the printable paper collection. And we're using the Simply Magical landscape version of the templates. The templates are available in my Etsy shop. I have a link down in the description box, and I also pin it in the first comment of my videos. I'll pin the link to the collection where I put all the templates. All the printable things that I'm using from my Etsy shop are in that list, in that collection. So we're getting close to being done here. We just got a few more things that I need to do, but and this is one of them. And forgive my nails. That's one of the bad things about wearing dark polish is, you know, after a week they just start looking bad, especially if you're a picker. Like I sit and do this. I'm not really picking or scraping, just kind of rubbing my fingernail, I don't know. And I'm in the garden, I'm, you know, playing with my grandbabies, and, you know, cooking a lot, and preserving food, all that stuff. So my nails are taking a beating for sure. So pay no attention to the bad nails on screen. Okay. So I have everything prepped and ready to go. Most things I think I've even got matted. So let me show you what I have already done. So out of the Essentials, the Simply Magical Essentials pack, I have printed page E4. So I went ahead and got everything ready to go. And two of them I've already matted as well. So I have printed this onto white cardstock, and these two I cut out and scored and taped. This I just printed it on plain white. There's no background design printed. This one has been matted with, this is the shades of color left over from the last video. And this is one of the printable versions of the paper collection. So I matted the back of the envelope. We're not going to use a magnet. And the reason I'm not going to use a magnet, because I debated about this, this is going to be in the back, on the back cover. And we don't move the back cover as much as we do other pages and the front cover. So it's not going to flop around, if that makes sense. So I didn't do a magnet with this. And this piece here, I just took one of the tabs off and left the other three. And I scored, I put tape on it, mitered the corners, and again, nothing overlaps on the corners. So that is ready to go. So I've got those. And then I've also got the mat for this piece. I need to assemble it before I put this mat on. And this is also part of the printable paper that I printed. Actually, this one, this and this, the back mat here, are on 28-pound paper. So there's really no need to do cardstock if you don't have to. So the mats for this page is on page E19. So I just traced the mats out for all of these. This is part of the paper collection. This was from the back cover. It was from this piece here. I just traced somewhere along here. I traced this this part out. Okay, so I'm going to put this up. And I'm going to put it together before I put it in the book. So I'm going to scooch in a little bit. I don't pay attention to my nails. Like I said, they're looking pretty rough. So this is going to be a pocket. So we want the opening of the pocket to be on the right side here. Okay, so we're gonna put this part, the little pocket, we're gonna put it at the opening. So I'm gonna flip this over. I'm gonna burnish this just real quick. And someone asked in my Facebook group where I get my little fancy pokey tool. I have it linked down below. I'm pretty sure I have it linked down below. Trinity Stamps. think is what it's called. I'm pretty sure it's linked down below. So in the description box, if you want to check that out. If not, I will make sure it's linked down below. Okay, so I am going to put this on here. Oh, I did okay. Yep. I'm going to put a piece of tape. Whoop. Good job. Not too big of a piece. And this way our inserts won't get caught up on that little edge there. Take the tape backing over the two sides and close it up. And then for this one, the purple side facing up, so I've got the tape on the purple side. If you're following along, that's what I did. I need to just tab these just a little bit. I actually had planned to do it a different way, but then I changed my mind at the last minute. So yeah, so we're going to attach this to this side. So it's going to go right here. And just really quick, I want to ink this. And that. And then we are going to mat the inside of this with this piece. So I'm going to use Fabri-Tac so that it'll move easily. So I have wiggle room, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Fabri-Tac by Beacon. I thought about just putting, I'm going to lay that on its side because I'm going to need it. I thought about just putting a photo mat here, and I'll show you what I mean. Because you can mat this with just one of your photo mats if you want it to. So this is one of my photo mats from the Photo Mats Essentials. And it fits right in there just perfectly. So if you wanted to, you could mat the inside of this pocket with an actual photo. So you would put your photo over top of the white part here. So your 4x6 photo would go here. You can do that. But I obviously am going to have inserts in here. Well, hopefully. I don't know what I'm going to put in there yet. I have not decided on that just yet. I did put something in the other one. Okay. So before we attach it into the book, though, I'm going to put a wax seal on the end of this. So I'm going to grab everything I need here. My spoon. My most favorite color. Love it so much. Let me know in the comments down below if anybody bought this color. I have it linked in my Amazon list for this project. So let me know if you bought this color and if you love it. Like I do. I love it. It's my favorite. Alright, I'm going to let that melt. Okay, I think it is melted enough. Pour it on the end here. I like doing that. Okay, so I'm going to put my wax seal on there. And I'm going to let it cool down. Alright, I think it's cooled down now. Yep. So let me move this out of the way. The spoon's not cooled down, but the wax seal has. Alright, I think I did it the right way. Yeah. There's a bit of dirt there on my wax seal. Kind of looks kind of funny like that now, doesn't it? I don't know why. Okay. So let's go ahead and install it, and then we'll do some embellishing. So I'm going to take this bottom tape backing, off, or the back, or the whatever. I'm going to try to get this centered. I'm going to go towards the spine area with this part, and hopefully I got it straight. Put a little piece of tape. Oops. Take the tape backing off. Okay, I mean, I haven't picked my inserts for inside of here yet, but obviously you can put anything you want in there. That's just a 3x4 photo mat. I think this is one of the ones that, yeah, I was recycling. Okay, so real quick too, as in the same as this one here, this insert, I grabbed one of the pieces of white cardstock that I've cut off of whatever I've done in the past, you know, month or so. I save all my cut off pieces. I traced this onto one of my cut off pieces, and then I have matted it on both sides. I traced the mat on some of the scraps that I already had left over. So this one, oops, this one is in the front cover. And then this one here, there's a blue foiled hole reinforcement on one side and a purple one on the other. So that's gonna go here. Isn't that cute? I mean, it already looks cute just like that, but we're gonna embellish this part right here. So I have a few things. This is from the embellishment pack, pretty sure, yeah. All of these are from the embellishment pack that are part of the paper collection. And I am gonna do like a layered embellishment. So I'm gonna start with this frame, and I'm gonna leave it open. I might even leave it open on both sides. I don't know if it's going to matter or not. No, let me go ahead and add some here too. I don't want the stuff to fall through. So I'm going to put this. This is like cardstock embellishments. So I'll put it at an angle, and then this one is just, it says this ticket, and then here's some tickets. And then this piece here is from the printable collection. So I printed it like 9 to a page or something, and then I kind of fussy cut myself out this pretty little flower, just like I've done in the previous videos, which, by the way, I don't know if I said that, I do have a playlist for this album. If you want to start at the beginning and work your way through with me step by step, I will link it up here in the cards and down below in the description box. I usually try to say that in the beginning, so I forgot, I guess. I might have, I don't know. So I'm just going to kind of do like, oh, that says November 29th. That's my baby's birthday, my youngest. So I just wanted to do like a bit of a layered like look here, something like that. So I'm going to attach this down first, and I'm just going to make sure it's attached to here. This might be a little too cattywamped. Like that. And then, whoop, these little tickets here. Well, I can't seem to hang on to them. I'm going to attach this down next. Let's see. I think I've kind of got it like that. And then I'm going to attach this here in the middle. I like doing these clusters, embellishment clusters. I don't think I'll need any more glue. So I'm just going to stick. I might not be able to have glue right there. Stick this kind of in the middle, like that. Isn't that cute? It's just something that simple. It's just adorable. Alright, I'm going to make sure that I have not glued the whole thing down really quick. No, we're good. So I have 3 inserts for here. This is the leftover envelope from the page that has, I'm trying to find it here. I printed off another one to show you all in the last video. The E9, this page that has the 3 sizes of the envelope. Well, this one is the middle size. So I went ahead and put that together just really simply, and I was going to have that in here. And then I have 2 postcards from my printable postcards. And they both kind of have a bluish type stamp on them, and I just thought it just looked really cute, and I just inked them up on both sides. So this is like one of the smaller sizes of the postcards. So I thought it would be fun just to have a couple of those like stashed in here like that. Right? I don't know, I might have to put like a little clip. I've got one of these little tiny Tim Holtz clips. I'll just put this on here for now. I might put a little paper clip or something there. But that's it. Isn't that cute? Let me zoom you in just a little bit more so you can see. Yeah, I think it's adorable. So see how this really didn't need a magnet, because it's, how often do you flip your back cover, you know? So yeah. Alright you guys, that is all I have for you today. Be sure to let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And thank you so much for joining me today. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.